हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है इंटीग्रल इक्वेशंस क्या होता है? आइए जानते हैं। इक्वेशंस इन विच अननोन फंक्शन appears under integration sign are called as integral equations. Example: f of x is equal to integral from a to b g of x dx, where a is lower limit, b is upper limit, and let's say g of x is an unknown function. Then we can say that since it is appearing within the integration sign, it's an integral function. There are multiple types of integral functions out there, but one of the type of integral function is the linear integral function. So let's see more about it. सो लीनियर इंटीग्रल इक्वेशंस वैसे इंटीग्रल इक्वेशंस होते हैं जिनमें जो फंक्शंस यूज हो रहे हैं या जो फंक्शंस हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं वो जनरली लीनियर फंक्शंस होते हैं। आइए पहले इसका फॉर्म देख लेते हैं। इसका फॉर्म होता है फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स इंटू जी ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू फाइव ऑफ एक्स प्लस लैम्डा टाइम्स इंटीग्रल ए टू अपर लिमिट के ऑफ एक्स टी एफ ऑफ टी डी टी। f of x is a known function, g of x and phi of x is a known function, lambda is called the parameter, a is the lower limit and there is a upper limit to the integration, and then k of xt is called the kernel of this equation, which is a two variable function in both x and t, and then ft we already know is a unknown function, and since it's appearing under the integration sign, it's a obviously an integral equation. And as I said, it's a linear integral equation. So let's understand that what is a linear function involvement here. So linear functions are those functions that preserves the additive and multiplicative properties, which means the functions that obey t of u plus v is equal to tu plus tv and t of cu is equal to c of tu. Example, a function like 2x, you can see that if you apply f of x plus y, you will get same as f of x plus f of y. Same way, if you apply f of cx, you will get c of fx. So indeed 2x is a linear function, and such type of functions are the solutions, or such type of functions are being used in this integral equation, and that's why it's called linear integral equation. Now let's see an example of linear integral equation. F of x e to the power x is equal to x square plus 2 times of integral 0 to 1 by x square by t square f of t dt. ऊपर में उसका फॉर्म दिया हुआ है. You can compare and see that fx is nothing but the unknown function, e to the power x is g of x which is known, x square is phi of x which is known, lambda is the value of lambda is 2, then upper limit is 1 by x, lower limit is 0, x square by t square is nothing but k of xt, and then ft dt. Now there are two types of linear integral equation. एक को फ्रीडम इंटीग्रल इक्वेशन बोलते हैं जहां पर अपर लिमिट of the integration is constant, यानी कि value of b is constant, as you see in this case value of b is 1. Another type is Volterra integral equation जहां upper limit जो है वो variable होता है. As in this example you see the upper limit is x which is a variable. Hope you enjoyed this JEE relevant topic. We will come up with more details on and problems around this topic. Subscribe, like our channel for more content. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Thank you.